Hybrid electric bikes have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their ability to provide a seamless combination of pedal power and electric assistance. These bikes are perfect for those who want to enjoy the benefits of both worlds. In this video, we will explore the top 5 hybrid electric bikes that have taken the market by storm. So without further ado, let's delve into the world of these incredible machines. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. The GoCycle G4i Plus is a true masterpiece when it comes to hybrid electric bikes. In just 10 seconds, you can effortlessly fold and stow the GoCycle G4i Plus into a compact package. This level of portability is a game changer for urban commuters who need a bike that seamlessly integrates into their daily routine. But that's not all. Once folded, it can be rolled along on its wheels, adding an extra layer of convenience and versatility. The GoCycle G4i Plus delivers a smooth and quiet ride, ensuring a comfortable journey through city streets. The bike features MotoGP-inspired tires, enhancing not only the performance, but also the overall aesthetics of the G4i Plus. Connecting with your GoCycle G4i Plus is a breeze thanks to the GoCycle Connect app. This innovative app allows you to customize your ride settings, monitor your battery life, and even track your fitness goals. And here's a feature that adds a modern touch: an integrated USB-C port. This allows you to conveniently charge your devices on the go, making the GoCycle G4i Plus not just a mode of transportation but a portable power hub. If you are looking for a hybrid electric bike that combines style and performance, look no further than the Mueller Roadster. This bike is not just about getting you to your destination fast, it's about rewarding you with unparalleled riding enjoyment, especially on those detours that make the journey memorable. Mueller have crafted a bike that not only performs exceptionally, but looks stunning while doing so. Powering this stylish ride is an integrated battery with an impressive capacity of up to 625 watt-hour. The Roadster is equipped with a Bosch Performance Line CX motor, providing an impressive 85 Nm of torque. Safety is a top priority, and the Roadster 4 doesn't disappoint. It features Mueller MT4 brakes, ensuring precise and reliable stopping power. Customization is key, and the Roadster offers a range of display options to suit your preferences. Whether you prefer a minimalist view or detailed information about your ride, you can easily tailor the display to your liking. This attention to detail extends to the RX Connect app, allowing you to fine-tune your ride settings and track your performance. The Roadster 4 features a 100 lux daytime running light. This not only enhances your visibility during the day, but adds a touch of sophistication to the overall design. The Cyrusher TRA is a hybrid electric bike that combines power and affordability. This bike is perfect for those who are looking for a reliable and budget-friendly option. The Cyrusher TRA apart is its dual battery system, boasting an impressive 52 volts and 40 ampere-hour capacity. This setup is a game-changer for riders looking for maximum endurance on their adventures. Powering the TRA are dual Bafang hub motors that deliver a seamless and powerful ride. With a combined 750 watts of power, the TRA can take you to a top speed of 28 miles per hour, giving you the speed and control needed to navigate challenging landscapes. Comfort is key, especially when you're tackling rough terrains. The Cyrusher TRA is equipped with a full suspension system that absorbs shocks and vibrations, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. It features reliable hydraulic brakes that provide precise stopping power, giving you the confidence to navigate steep descents and technical trails. The Super 73S Adventure is a hybrid electric bike that combines retro style with modern technology. This bike is perfect for those who want to make a statement while enjoying the benefits of electric assistance. The S-Adventure features a unique design that is reminiscent of classic motorcycles, making it a head-turner wherever you go. The bike is equipped with a powerful motor that provides smooth and powerful electric assistance, allowing you to conquer any terrain with ease. One of the standout features of the Super 73S Adventure is its range. With a fully charged battery, this bike can travel up to 40 miles, making it perfect for long-distance adventures. allowing you to carry your belongings with ease. Whether you are commuting to work or embarking on an epic adventure, the Super 73S Adventure is sure to impress with its style and performance. At the top of our list is the vintage electric Scrambler, a hybrid electric bike that embodies the spirit of adventure and nostalgia. This bike combines vintage aesthetics with modern technology, creating a truly unique riding experience. This bike not only captures the essence of classic motorcycles, but also delivers a powerful and exhilarating ride. The Scrambler is equipped with a powerful motor that provides smooth and effortless electric assistance, allowing you to tackle any terrain with ease. One of the standout features of the vintage electric Scrambler is its exceptional build quality. The bike features a handcrafted frame and high-quality components, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. The Scrambler also comes with a range of features, such as a built-in display, integrated lights, and a removable battery for easy charging. Whether you are a vintage enthusiast or a modern adventurer, the vintage electric Scrambler is the perfect hybrid electric bike for you. There you have it, folks. Our top 5 hybrid electric bikes. Each one brings something unique to the table, so be sure to check them out if you're in the market for a new ride. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more content, and let us know in the comments which electric bike caught your eye.